Hello everyone. Hi. Hi Harsh. Hi Keshav. Hi Krishna. Say everybody hi to each other. Yeah. See here you are making a new friend. Yeah. Say hi. Okay. Okay. How people? What people? You people are doing during your lockdowns time? You people are enjoying this time, or you are missing your schools, your friends? Huh? How many are missing their schools? Oh, everybody. Oh, means you love to go school, huh? Very good. Okay. So, what else you are doing here at your home? Okay, you people are reading a books, doing a writing work. Okay, learning also. Very good. Okay, here my name is Sneha. Okay, today we are going to play some activities, the fun activities. You people will enjoy this. Okay, and during these activities we will learn also something new. We will learn. Okay, okay. So then what the game we are going to play, that name of that game is the rapid fire. Okay, everybody are familiar with this word rapid fire, this game? Yeah, the rapid fire is very easy game also, na? The people are playing during while using the Bollywood games. Yeah. So today we are going to play this game while using the name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing. Okay, so for example, okay, everybody are familiar this, well, but then also I'm explaining you how we have to play this game. Okay, okay, I will when I will give you the one name of a word. Okay, like I had given the name of a place like Delhi. The Delhi ends with the word letter I. Okay, so the another person I will give them, give him that you have to use the name of a thing. So from the I word you have to use the name of a thing. Okay, so then like this we will change the topics also, and we will play some games also. Okay, so uh, so let us start this game. Okay, so we are using I'm going to give you the name of a person name. Okay, like Ramesh. So Ramesh ends with the letter H. Now this is the turn of the Harsh. He will give the name of a things. Ramesh, yes, it is ends with the H. So you have to give the another name of a thing, H, from the word letter H. House, yes, very good. So the house ends with the letter E. So Keshav will give the name of a place. Yes, from the E word. England, yes, good, very good. Not the turn of the Krishna. The Krishna will give the name of a person. The word ends with the letter D. Yes, name of a thing, the word D. Yes, Krishna. Yes, yes, you can do it. Yes, the word D. Dining table, yes, that is also a thing. So can anybody give me that name, that where we use the name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing? Which definition it is? Yeah, this is the definition of a noun. Yeah, a noun explains us the name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing. Okay, so here we are going to, today we are going to learn about some adjectives. Okay, anybody having some ideas about the adjectives? Okay, we will learn something new about the adjectives. Okay, okay, everybody just look around you, that what is there in your, where you are sitting right now. Just look around you and give one sentence of that, what you're having in that room, how it is looking, what is the size of that. Yes, okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes. Just look around, and one by one you will give the sentence of that. Like where I am sitting, I am having a very good wallpaper in my room. Yeah, I'm having very good wallpaper in my room. So Krishna will tell me the first. Krishna, what you're having around you? Yes, You are having a small table. Okay, Krishna is having a small table in his room. So, Keshav, what you are having? Yes. Okay, you are having a big dog, big black dog. Oh, oh, very good. You are having a big black dog. Hmm. So, Harsh, what you are having? Okay, in your room you are having a beautiful scenery. Okay. So, what is the noun? Harsh, what in your sentence, what is the noun over there? Anything is there? Name of a place, name of a person, name of a thing, it is there in your sentence that you are having a beautiful scenery. Exactly, scenery is a name of a thing, that is a noun. Very good. Okay. And Keshav, what you are having? Any noun? Name of a person, name of a place, name of a thing? Yeah, dog, that is a noun. Very good. Krishna, what you are having? Yes, Krishna? A small table. Yes, what is the noun is there? Table. Yes, table is a noun, name of a thing, that is. Okay, you are having a small table. So, Harsh is having a beautiful scenery in his room. Keshav is having a big black dog. Oh, okay. Krishna is having a small table in his room. Okay. So, here, what is the appearance of the scenery? That scenery is having a beautiful. Okay. So, scenery is very beautiful. It is looking very beautiful. I am having a very good wallpaper. So, my wallpaper is good. Okay. Okay. Keshav is having a big black dog. So, dog is a big and black also. Means बड़ा भी है और black भी है. Okay. And Krishna is having a small table. Okay. The table is small and it is cute also. Okay, Krishna. So, this is the noun just which shows the describing anything, any quality it is describing. Okay. That Harsh is having a beautiful scenery. So, scenery is describing that it is a beautiful. Okay. It is telling something about that. Okay. Keshav is having a big black dog. So, dog is having a quality that it is a big also and a black also. Okay. And Krishna is having a table that is the size of it is a small. Okay. So, these are all the what? The noun is showing some quality, like Harsh is a very good boy. So, Harsh is looking like having a quality good. Keshav is looking like having a cute smile face. Huh, Keshav? Yes, the Keshav having a cute. It is showing some describing about the Keshav, showing some quality. Okay, Krishna having a black hairs. So, Krishna is having quality about the black hairs. So, whatever the things means anything, whatever shows the quality about that, that represents the adjective. Okay. So, now next we are going. So, here we are going having some activities. Are you able to look at your phone? Okay. Okay, here you have to describe about this thing, that whatever the things that show some good quality, okay, anything good appearance, about its size, about its shape, so this all shows the what? Adjectives. So whatever the things show some qualities describing about the noun, that is known as the adjective. So here it is some picture I am showing you. Okay, everybody able to see this? Okay, so you have to describe about that thing. Okay, so let us start one by one. We will do this activity. Okay, so here I am showing the picture of the cake. See, under the cake there is a blank also. Okay, one by one we will discuss about them. Okay, what is the color of the cake? Okay, what is the color of the cake? Yes, it is a brown. It is a light brown also. It is having a dark brown also. It is having one cherry also. Everybody loves to eat cake. Yeah, even I too. So the color of the cake is brown. What is the texture? Everybody know the meaning of the texture? The texture shows us that what the rough, soft, hard, smooth means, like that Keshav is having a black big dog. Okay, so it is having a fur also, so fur is smooth, na? Yes, so that is whatever we feel. Okay, that is known as a texture. So what is the texture of the cake? It is a smooth, hard, soft, or harsh. It is a soft type. Okay, it is a smooth. We, when we eat the cake, it feels like it is very smoothie, na? Okay, so it is having a smooth. Okay, what is the shape of the cake? Everybody know the shape of a cake? Yes, it is a oval shape. Okay, it is a oval shape. What is the size of a cake? It is a big cake or it is a small cake? Yeah, it is a small cake. Okay, now next is taste. How the cake looks when we eat, how we feel. Yeah, it is very tasty, it is delicious. Okay, what is the smell of the cake? Yes, it is melodious. Oh, very nice. Okay, so these are the describing about the cake, that it is having a brown color cake, having a smooth cake, having a big cake or a small cake. Okay, oval shape cake, taste delicious cake, smell melodious smell. Okay, so these are the describing about the cake. Okay, so the next picture it is about the carrot. Here it is a picture of a carrot. So what is the color of the carrot over here? Yes, now Harsh will tell. What is the color of the carrot? Yes, it is looking like orange also, red also. Very good. Yeah, now the Keshav, texture of the carrot. What is the texture of a carrot? Yes, it is hard, smooth, soft. What is the texture of a carrot? When we eat the carrot, how it feels? Yeah, it is hard. It is little bit hard, no? Yes. What is the shape of the carrot? Which shape it is? It is circle, it is rectangle, it is triangle. What is the shape of a carrot? It is looking like a cone shape. Okay, it is a cone shape. Now Krishna, what is the size of a cake? Size of a cake? It is a big carrot, it is a small carrot. Yeah, it is a small carrot also and a big carrot also. Okay, now what is the taste of a carrot? It is sweet, it is sour taste, it is like a very means whatever it is, like अजीब सा गंदा सा, मीन्स कैसा टेस्ट होता है कैरेट का? It is sweet taste. Yes, the carrot is having a sweet taste. Okay, very good. Now the next picture we are having the noodles. Oh, everybody loves eating noodles now. Yeah, all the favorite things are here. Okay, the noodles. What is the color of a noodles? Yes, Krishna. Here we are having a yellow color noodles. Yes. Okay, Harsh, what is the texture of a noodle? It is soft. Yes, when we eat it, we feel the soft. Yeah. Shape of a noodle. When your mama cooks the noodles, how it looks? It is a curve shape. It is a curve shape. No, noodles having a curve shape. Yeah. What is the size of a noodles? Yeah, noodles is having a long. Yeah, noodles having a long. When we eat the from a spoon, what it happens? We roll it and then we eat. Means it is very too long, na? Yeah. What is the taste of a noodles? Yes, it is salty type. Yeah, it is the taste of it is a salty. Yeah. What is the smell? Melodious. Noodles is very nice sweet, na? We all love. Okay, very good all of you. The next picture it is of a engine. Okay. Now the engine. What is the engine? What is the color of an engine over here? Yes, Harsh, just tell me what is the color of an engine? It is of blue color. Yeah. Now Keshav, what is the texture of an engine? Yes, engine everybody know, na? Engine, the train. And when we sit in the train, first the engine takes the whole bogies and all, na? Yeah. So it is a very hard. When we touch the engine, it is hard. The texture of it is the hard. So it is a hard engine. What is the shape of an engine? It is in a shape like a rectangle. Yes. What is the size of a engine? Yeah, it is a big engine. Na? Engine is big. Okay. In the picture, it is looking like a small, but it is big engine. Okay. How it sounds? Sound means loud sound, low sound. Yes, engine sounds loud. When we sit in the train, it makes na chuk 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 like. Okay, yes, the sound, it is a very loud sound. So very good, all of you. Now next is the parrot. How many is having the parrot in their house? Anybody is having? Nobody. Okay. So parrot. What is the color of a parrot? Yes, Krishna. The color of a parrot is green. Yes, the green color parrot is there. What is the texture of the parrot? Yes, Keshav. It is smooth, na? When we touch, it is smooth. Like our skin is also smooth, na? So their skin is also like a smooth. Okay. What is the shape of this? Shape? There is no shape, na? Because parrots are means like which shape you can say, like the semicircles, like whatever. Okay, shape. Okay, size. It is a big or it is a small size? It is a they are having a small size. Okay, so parrot is having a small size. How it sounds? Loud sound or low sound? Loud sound. Yeah. Yes. So everybody are able to know that what the adjective shows us: the color, the texture, the shape, the size, and the sound also. Okay, these all are the definitions of the adjectives. Okay, whatever we tell about the noun. For example, here the parrot it is. Okay, the parrot is a noun. So parrot is having this much qualities like color, it is having a green, texture, smooth, shape, means whatever the shape you can say, size, big or small, sound, low or high sound. Okay, so these are the activities, okay, of the what the parrot do. So these all show that all describing about the parrot. Okay, so next thing is a word ways. Okay, word ways, we are word that describes whatever words that describes. Okay, first of all we will see here what is the, see in the curve line, it is there adjectives tells us. Okay, what the adjectives tells us about a noun. The first it is about a noun. What adjective tell us about a noun? Okay, now the second one, what color? Okay, the adjectives tell us about the color. Okay, okay, Krishna, just tell me, what is the color of your eyes? Brown, black or green? Yes, you are having a black color eyes. Okay, so it is describing about the Krishna's eyes. Okay, now the, see what color what we are having, all the colors. Okay, like the rainbow is having a 7 colors. Okay, hair is the black color. Okay, so whatever color, black, red, green and blue. Okay, now the size over here, what is the size? Like the size you can say the big, small, short, okay, long. So these are the size. Okay, means like Harsh, you're a short or your height is long? You are having a short height because you are a small kid. Okay, so this is describing about the Harsh, that Harsh is having a small height. Okay, so how something feels, whatever we feel. Okay, if anybody give us a punch, we feel hard, no? Okay, if our mama loves us like this, oh mera pyara beta, like this, so we will soft, na? Yeah, so what we feel, like soft, rough, hard, harsh. Okay, so whatever we feel, it shows about the adjectives, about the activities. Now next is how a noun looks, वो कैसा दिखता है. ओके, नाउन कैसा दिखता है हमें, मीन्स कैसा है उसके बारे में. ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज हाउ समथिंग बिहेव्स. सबके बिहेवियर के बारे में भी, लाइक वॉट एवर वी आर हैविंग अ बिहेवियर, इट ऑल्सो डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट अस, अबाउट द नाउन, अबाउट द एडजेक्टिव्स. ओके, so here the next point is how something behaves, like someone is very kind, someone is very annoying, someone is very gentle, someone is very faithful. Like Keshav is having a black dog. Okay, so everybody know the nature of a dog. That dog is a very faithful animal. So it is describing about the animal, about the dog, that it is very faithful. Okay, okay, like kind, we all are very kind to each other. Kind means हम सबके लिए बहुत अच्छे होते हैं. Okay, annoying, okay, like somehow your friends also sometimes annoy you na, that okay, I will not talk to you, I will not do this thing, means like this thing. Okay, so something behaves, कोई बहुत अच्छा होता है, कोई बहुत बुरा होता है, कोई किसी को गुस्सा बहुत जल्दी आता है. ओके, सो दिस ऑल दिस थिंग्स डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द नाउन. ओके, नेक्स्ट वन इज हाउ समथिंग साउंड्स. किसी की आवाज़ कैसी है. ओके, नाउन की आवाज़ कैसी है. ओके, जिसके बारे में हम कह रहे हैं उसकी आवाज़ हमें कैसे पता चल रही है. एवरीबडी लिसन ना. ओके, समटाइम्स व्हाट हैपन when you play a game, like a video game, it makes a loud sound. When then your mama comes, what she says, just make a low sound. Yeah, okay, so this type of sounds. Okay, the loud sound, the low sound. Okay, the quiet, when we gather in the class, when we are going to school, what our teacher says to us, just keep quiet, because everybody talks to each other, it makes a loud sound. So teachers tell us na, just keep quiet all of you. Okay, so this is the sound. So adjectives also tell us about what the sounds we listen. Okay, now the next point is how many. So how many means like a few. Okay, how many, how much we are having. Okay, किसी के पास कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा होती है, कोई कम होती है. So how many, whatever we can count. Okay, so adjectives also tell us about that thing also. So in all over, what the adjective tell us about us, tell us one by one. Okay, everybody just give me the one reason. Okay, about the first thing, about a noun. Okay, what a color, what about the size, how something feels, how the noun looks, beautiful, ugly. Okay, how something behaves, means everybody's behavior, how something sounds, how many. Okay, so adjectives tells us about these things. Okay, the next part is now. Okay, now here is the definition of the adjective. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. So like we have discussed about the pictures na, that the cake we are having, the carrot, the parrot, the engine, that the noodles was there. So that all was describing about the noun. So an adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay, see here in the example it is given a messy bedroom. Now during this time when you are staying at your home, when you wakes up, how your bedroom looks, it's a very messy types. There are mammas come, mama cleans your bed, mama keep your bedroom very nicely. Okay, the messy bedroom, what is the quality of the bedroom, it is showing the messy bedroom. Okay, the next picture, it is beautiful rainbow. So what is the quality of the rainbow over here, it is very beautiful. Yeah, everybody loves to see na beautiful rainbow, because it is very beautiful. Okay, the next picture is of delicious pizza. Everybody is missing the pizza right now na, because the Swiggy and the Zomato, it is stopped right now na. Yes, so your mama is cooking very delicious thing. Okay, that delicious pizza. So what is the taste of the pizza is, it is very delicious. Okay, so next one is fluffy bunny. What is the bunny? Bunny is the name of a rabbit. Yeah, so here that bunny is having a very fluffy, means having a very too much fur over on his body. So it is very fluffy type. Okay, here the next picture, it is blue shirt. What is the quality of the shirt over here, it is a blue shirt. Which color? Blue shirt. Okay, What is the next picture? It is shiny mirror. Okay, what is the quality of the mirror? It is a shiny. When we look our face in the mirror, it shines na. Yes. Okay, next is teeny ladybug. You know the ladybug? Yeah, that ladybug, that is insect na, teeny ladybug, that is the very small teeny shape. Okay, here it is happy baby. What the baby is showing the activity is he is very happy. The baby is very happy. Look here. Yes, the brave firefighter. The firefighter is very brave. This is showing the quality of a firefighter, that they are very brave, very powerful they are. Okay, now the next picture is of dragon. That is a silly dragon. Silly means it is about the behavior of it. It is a very silly dragon. Okay, it is nothing have so much quality. It is having a silly types. No need to work. He doesn't want to do the work, so it is silly. Okay, now the next thing is words that describe. Okay, adjectives add color to our writing. Okay, when we write something, it adds some color to our writing. Okay, now here it is given the color, that is black, blue, coral, pink, green. You all are having a color pencils now. Yeah, it is having how many colors? 12 colors are there. Okay, now it is having the 24 colors also. Now the size: use, large, little, gigantic, tiny. Okay, here is the size of it is. Shape: oval, round, square, box, triangular. Means you know the shape in a geometry. Yeah, that oval, round, square. Okay, boxy, triangular means triangle shape. Okay, taste: bitter, sour, sweet, tangy, and tart. Okay, what is the meaning of the tart? That थोड़ा सा खट्टा, थोड़ा सा मीठा, like we eat na pickles. Okay, that looks like na. Yes. Now the next one is odor. Odor means when we smell something very bad smell, or sometimes we smell a good smells. Okay, fragrance type. Odor means that the khushbu ya badbu. Okay, we like this odor, that is the fresh, musty, salty, stinky, and flowery. Okay, here it is a texture. Texture is bumpy, furry, slimy, smoothie, and squishy also. Sound means faint, harmonious, loud, pleasant, and quiet. Faint is मीन्स बहुत अच्छी धीरे धीरे साउंड आ रही है. हारमोनियस बहुत अच्छा, जैसे कोई बहुत अच्छा सा म्यूज़िक चला रहा है. हारमोनियस. लाउड, व्हेन योर टीचर शाउट्स एट यू, शी शाउट्स लाउडली ना. यस. प्लीजेंट, somebody talks that pleasantly. Quiet. Okay, next is number: few, 50, many, sparse, and lots. So numbers we are having two. How many numbers we are having? Okay, we can count each and everything. Okay, weather, like when we come out from your room, just see the weather. At the evening it looks like that the sun is going down, so it is having a something very little bit dark comes. Okay, when early in the morning when the sun rise, it looks like a very bright color. Okay, so the clear, dry, foggy, rainy, windy. Okay, cloudy. Sometimes it rains, we say na that today the weather is very cloudy. Okay, so use colorful pens from the writing center to add adjectives when revising. Okay, so now we are going to use colorful pens from the writing center to add adjectives when revising. Okay, so here we are using the colorful pencils. Okay, so the next one, now the next activity. Okay, now the describing. Now here we are going to spot some describing words, and when I will you will see the name of a noun, then you have to make a thumbs up like this. If it is describing word, you have to say yes and say thumbs up. Yes, it is a noun or it is an adjective. Okay, if it is not an adjective, you have not to say something. Okay, if you feel that it is adjective, then you have to give the thumbs up. You have to say yes. Okay, now the first word is sun. Say yes for the describing word. You have to say the yes for the describing word. It is describing word sun. No, because sun is a noun. It is nothing. It is not describing anything. Now the next one is say yes for the describing word. Yellow. Yellow. Yes, thumbs up. It is a describing word because it gives the name of a color. Now the next one is teacher. Teacher, it is adjective. No, teacher is a noun. Good, very good. Now next one is happy. Yes, in the example we had seen na, that happy baby. Yes, this is a describing word, so thumbs up for this. Now next one is sensitive. Sensitive. Yes, what we feel, sensitive, means it is an adjective. Yes, thumbs up. Now next word is fantastic. So fantastic shows describing word like, yes, fantastic, it is a describing word. Like we can use, today we had seen the very fantastic movie. So movie is a very fantastic one. Okay, now the next one is wavy. Yes, wavy is also describing word. Thumbs up. Okay, wavy, like the sun rays was showing like a wavy. Okay, it is a wavy. So next one is waterfall. It is a describing word. No, this is not a describing word. Waterfall means it is showing any quality, like a big waterfall, a small waterfall, huge waterfall. No, it is a noun. Okay, now next one is wondrous. Wondrous, it is a describing word. Yes, this is a wondrous. It is an adjective. Thumbs up for this. So wondrous gives us the meaning like we are having a wondrous trip. Okay, means हमारा जो ट्रिप था बहुत ही अच्छा था. Okay, so let us move on to the next. Make some sentences on the picture given. So here what you had seen the picture about the elephant. Okay, so here the elephant is, where it is, the elephant is very big. Yes, it is having a colorful ears, also having a long trunk. Yeah, and the color of it is the gray color, where he is standing in the cloudy weather, having a green grass over there. Okay, so here what you have to make some sentences on the picture. Here the picture is given and one by one you have to make some sentences. Whatever you are seeing over here, you have to make some sentence. Okay, so one by one. Yeah, so let me start from the Krishna. Yes, Krishna, one sentence what you can make about this picture. Yeah, it is a big elephant. Very good. What is the adjective over here? Big. Yeah, it is giving a size about that, the elephant, that it is a big elephant. Okay, next turn about the Harsh. Yes, Harsh, it is having a colorful ears. Yes, the colorful gives us the name of a color, means having a different types of colors. Yeah, like blue color, also orange, black, means multiple colors are there. So the color also gives the descriptions of the adjective. Yes, now the next word of the Keshav. Yeah, it is having a long trunk. Yeah, it is having a long trunk. Yes, it is having a long trunk. Okay, the long gives the size of its trunk, that is having a long trunk. Okay, now the next, the turn of the Krishna. It is of gray color. Yeah, elephant is which color? Gray color. So what is the adjective over here? Gray, because it is showing the quality of the elephant, that is having a gray color. Okay, the next one is of Krishna. Yes, it is standing over the green grass. So what is the adjective over here? The green grass. Okay, yeah, anything else, Harsh? Yeah, there is the cloudy weather. Yeah, what is adjective? Cloudy. Yeah, so well done all of you, very good. Now the here also make 5 sentences on the picture given. So we will make some 5 sentences also over here. Okay, of why seeing this picture. What is in the picture over here? There is a small dog, one boy having the many books are there in that room, having the cap over there, means there is something over there. Okay, so we are going to make a 5 sentences. Okay, so first sentence of Keshav. Keshav, what you can make one sentence of by looking this picture? This room is of brown color. Okay, very good. One sentence. This is of the brown color. What is adjective over here? Brown. Okay. Next, Harsh, what you can make? In this picture, there is a small dog. Yeah, there is a small dog. What is the size of a dog? Small. Okay. Now the next one is of Krishna. What is the next picture? Yes, Krishna, what you can make? There is a so many books are there. There are so many books. Very good. There are so many books. Means there are plenty of books are there. Okay. So the so many or the plenty is the adjective because there are so many books. Okay. The next, Harsh, again. There is a green color cap. Yes, there is a green color cap. Yes. The what is the adjective? The green color. Okay. The cap it is of green color. Okay. Very good. The next is, there is a small boy also. Okay, there is a one small boy. This shows the adjective of a boy. Okay, that he is very small. Okay, next, one sentence, one more sentence, please. Anyone? Okay, what? The boy is wearing the green color shirt. Okay, green color shirt. Yeah, very good. So now the homework time. So all of you had done, enjoyed this activity? Yeah. Okay, once again we are going to revise this, that the adjectives is a word that describes about the animal, about the person or a thing. Or you can say an adjective is a word that modifies or describes about a noun. Okay, like your mother, she is a very good mama, she is a very kind mama, she is a very beautiful mama. So your mama is having so many qualities like good, kind, beautiful. Okay, so you all just go back all this adjectives and just revise it. Okay, now it's homework time. Okay, so again we are going to meet the next. Okay, so take care, stay happy, stay safe, stay home, all of you. Okay, bye, good luck.